Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about recursion in Java. Friends, before moving to code example, let's cover some theory part about recursion. What actually does recursion means? So recursion resembles an endless mirror. It occurs when a function invokes itself in order to solve an issue, kind of like a puzzle inside a puzzle. So recursion means a function, a method which calls itself. Okay. So friends, now let's see code example for recursion in Java. First of all, I am going to define one method with name calculate factorial. This method will calculate the factorial of a number. Okay. So let's start. Object static long, write the name of the method as calculate factorial. Calculate factorial. Okay. Define one argument integer data type with variable name n. Okay. Now let's write the code in method mode. Now friends, let's define one if else conditions. If else condition, if n equal to 0, condition body return 1. Okay. So this is our base case of for factorial of 0 is 1. Okay, because factorial of 0 is 1. Now let's define else condition. Else initialize result long, declare result long result equal to n into calculate factorial. So this is one type of formula to calculate the factorial. So I am adding that formula here. Okay, and right here return, in return we want result, so I am writing here return result. Okay, so the code. Now friends, we have made our method ready. Now let's go into main method and define one variable of integer data type with the name number. So data type name is integer here, name of the variable is number, and initialize that variable to 5. Suppose we want to calculate the factorial of 5, hence I take 5 here. Now initialize long data type with variable name factorial, and take one variable name, take one variable factorial with data type long, and initialize that variable to method calculate calculate factorial. Okay, calculate factorial and pass the variable number here. Okay friends, now let's write code to get get an output to the console. Pass the message factorial of, write the variable name is number plus factorial of 5 is, okay, plus variable name as factorial. We have already defined in this line code in line number 16. Okay, so the code. Now friends, our code is complete now. Now let's run our code. So friends, you can see that our output is factorial of 5 is 120. Let's run our code again. So we get the output here, factorial of 5 is 120. So friends, let's revise our code once again. Here we start by defining a class name factorial calculator. We have created class with name factorial calculator. In the main method, we declare an integer variable number and set it to 5 as an example. Now we want to calculate the factorial of this number 5. Okay. We then call the calculate the factorial method and pass the number as an argument. Okay. We call this calculate factorial method and pass the number variable as an argument, and our result is stored in a long variable named factorial. In this variable factorial, our result will be stored, and finally we print the result of the to the console, indicating the number for which we calculate the factorial and the computed factorial value. Okay. The calculated factorial method is a recursive function that calculates the factorial of a number n, which has two parts: base case. Okay, base case. This is our base case. If n is 0, it will return 1, because the factorial of 0 is defined as 1. And uh, we define another case, recursive case. If n is not 0, we calculate the factorial by multiplying n with the factorial of n minus 1. We make a recursive call to calculate factorial with n minus 1 and store the result in a result. Okay. So this recursive call breaks down the problem into smaller sub-problems until it reaches the base case. Okay friends, so this is all about recursion in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GT. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.